In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook.com from putting legitimate messages in the junk mail folder. We'll work in the Outlook.com web version, so open your browser and go to the Outlook website, then sign in. Once your mailbox loads, look at the left sidebar where your folders live. You'll see Inbox, Sent Items, and a folder called Junk Email. That's where Outlook sends messages it thinks are spam. Start by opening the junk email folder and finding a message you actually want. Right-click that message, choose junk, and then select not junk. This moves the email to your inbox, and more importantly, it teaches Outlook's filter that similar messages should be trusted in the future. If you're ever unsure about a message, use the reading pane to review it and avoid clicking links until you're confident it's legitimate. Next, strengthen that signal in settings. Click the gear icon at the top right, open the full mail settings, then go to junk email. Under Safe Senders and Domains, add the sender's email address, and if you regularly trust all mail from a company, add their domain as well. Adding a safe sender tells Outlook to let those messages bypass junk filtering. Type carefully because a typo here won't help. Save your changes before leaving the page. While you're in settings, go to Mail, then Rules. Look for any rule that automatically moves messages to junk or deletes them. Sometimes an old or overly broad rule can catch good mail by mistake, like one based on a common word or a sender pattern that's no longer accurate. Edit, disable, or delete anything that might be misfiring. Now return to Mail, then junk email, and check the blocked senders and domains list. If the sender or their domain ended up here, select it and remove it. Being on this list overrides other preferences, so clearing it is essential. Finally, add the sender to your Outlook contacts. Open a legitimate message from them, click their name, and choose the option to add to contacts. Messages from people in your contacts are more likely to be treated as trustworthy, and this also helps with autocomplete and recognition across your mailbox. That's it. By marking messages as not junk, adding safe senders, reviewing rules, clearing the blocked list, and saving the sender as a contact, you create multiple layers of assurance that good mail lands in your inbox. Keep an eye on your junk email folder for the next few days and repeat these actions for any other trusted senders you find.